How to change name on IG. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change name on IG, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing name on Instagram is very simple. Open up the Instagram application and then you will see this type of interface here, where you just have to tap on the profile icon. There are two types of name. This right here is a username that people use to identify your account, and each username is unique to everybody. So once you have this username, other people will not be able to have that username. The other is a display name that you can see. Now, display name can be anybody. It doesn't really have to be the same one. It can just be anybody's. It could be the same name, the same title, doesn't really matter. And to change those, tap on the edit profile button here. The first is name, so you can go ahead and change the name, but remember that once you change the name, you won't be able to change it in the 7 days. So you can change 2 times within 14 days as for the display name. Now, as for the username, it's actually quite restrictive because you will not be able to change it for 2 weeks, which means 14 days. 7 2s are 14, right? So just change the username, tap the arrow button, and make sure all the spellings are correct, and this way you can change name on IG. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.